What's up, y'all? J-Kid, swag digital. I did a swag if you hear me. Hi. I, and I used to live in La Crosse. I'm at Portage, but nigga, matter of fact, I could take it over in the sickle game smash. I can beat the pussy open. I'm a motherfucking Grinch. Nigga stole Christmas. Nigga talk shit. Nigga put you on my hit list. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I can go and gift this. Get your ass up this. And my name is Jeremy J-Kid, aka Isaiah. You can come up with the fucking flames E. I can blaze you up. Then I'll call you Swayze. Pepper Shady. My swag's crazy. They don't wanna fuck with us cause we go lazy. And I go down. What's happening on me? I be sipping on that lean, call me goalie. And I'm super fucking clean. If you really want it, with a nigga go mean. I go strong, but I go hard. Dick inside you pussy niggas, and I'm in your yard. Your bitch love my swag, and she love it when my dick is inside of her mouth bag. And the motherfucker do it all day like wag. And I don't give a fuck, cause she dipping up my swag. Matter of fact, nigga, she ate my kids, and my kids on her lips. Not my kids in your mouth, not my kids in your... Nigga, that is kinda gay, but no homo by the flag. If you really want a bag, and I'm banging on you bitches, see my swag, I'm a beast. Nigga, go ahead, talk shit, but I don't give a fuck, cause my kids are on your lips. And I don't give a fuck, cause my kids is on her hips. And I don't give a fuck, cause my kids is on her hips. Nigga, you don't want that. You don't want that, nigga. You don't want that. 2 shots with the Mac and the Nina. And I got the Nina and the Nina. Fuck your Nima. Up in your brain. Bullet in your same. Nigga going insane. Nigga call me young man. I'm a beast, nigga. Swag on animal contain. You ain't fucking with us niggas cause with me, baby, bang. Nigga, with me, baby, bang. Fuck with us, and me leave your body straight hang. J-Kid, motherfucker, leave you in your brain. 2 shots, a couple, put the purple in your brain. Hey, what the fuck you mean? I'm clean, I'm fresh, I'm super clean. I'm a beast, you a bitch, I'm a motherfucking G. I can show you how I do my swagger up like a mean, but I'm swag out and I'm cool and shit. But I'm drinking on the rubber, so I'm cool and shit. But I'm drinking on the Tom, so I'm Tom and shit. So you pussy niggas better run and grip. You get a grip up on your gun while I'm running, then I'm shining, and you niggas such a bitch, but the bitches came with bullets. Okay. Second verse. I used to wear baggy jeans, bitch, nigga, but I upgrade my swag with niggas. I don't give a fuck, smiley face on my shirt. Young J-Kid, young flirt, I'm a flirt. Your wife's on my dick inside the skirt. I'm a beast, nigga, you don't wanna fuck with her. And when she hurt, cause I beat the pussy up with my Hershey bar squirt. Okay. I know what they already want me to do with this. She said she loved my swag, but I gave her ass so bad. I say she loved my swag, my swag. She said she loved my swag, I gave her and that my swag. I said, as you know, you want me. I gave a piece of my swagger down. I'ma have to dig it down. If she really wanna come around, bring it to my house. I lay her on my bed or I lay her on the couch. Then I take a dick down. I'ma dick it down any way she really want it. But if I really want it, I'ma stick it in the mouth. I'ma blow my wad out and she gon' eat me out. She gon' give me head. I'ma eat the pussy up like it's mother French bread. I'm a mad no doctor. And I'ma explore the pussy monster. You go in, and I don't give a fuck. Yeah, the pussy real wet, like a French cup. We go in and then we out and we busting up on the butt. I'ma be reaching the swag and leave you fuck up. And now she love my swag, yeah, she love my swag, and I go like this. Look at that. I'm out, y'all. Peace.